Today I'm going to show you how to redeem a GOG key quickly and easily, whether you want to do it on the website or inside the GOG Galaxy app. This is a simple process, but if you've just bought a game key and you're not sure where to paste it, this walkthrough will save you time and confusion. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The easiest way to activate a GOG key is through the GOG website. First, open your browser and go to GOG.com. Once the page loads, sign into your GOG account using the email and password linked to your library. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first. But for most people, signing in is all you need. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu where you'll see several options related to your library, purchases, and account settings. From that menu, click Redeem Code. This is the option you want when you have a GOG key from a retailer, bundle, or promotion. On the redemption page, carefully enter your GOG key exactly as it appears. Make sure you type it correctly, including any dashes, and double check for any letters or numbers that might be easy to confuse. Once the key is entered, click Continue or Redeem. Depending on what button appears on your screen, GOG will verify the code, and if it's valid, the game will be added directly to your library. From there, you can install it later through GOG Galaxy or download it from your account. Now, if you prefer using the desktop app, you can also redeem your key inside GOG Galaxy. Open the GOG Galaxy app and sign in if needed. Then look for the Settings option, usually shown as a gear icon. Click that, and in the menu, choose Add Games and Friends. Inside that section, you'll find an option that says Redeem GOG Code. Click it, then enter your key in the field provided. After that, click Redeem to confirm. Just like on the website, your game should then be added to your library, ready to download and play. If the code doesn't work right away, take a moment to check that it was entered correctly and that the key hasn't already been used or expired. Also, make sure you're signed into the correct account because once a game is redeemed, it stays attached to that GOG profile. So there you have it. 2 easy ways to redeem a GOG key, either from the website or through GOG Galaxy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.